This is the second floor plan.
How are you guys? Come on in. No, go ahead. Come on.
Kitchen, garage door. Coat closet. Living space. This is a lot like our Charleston home floor plan. She's showing someone else as well right now. The front door. Straight up staircase. Master. Big master. Very big. Separate tub and shower in this one.
You can absolutely put baby dates in now that that's on. Yeah.
Walk-in closet. Big room. Second bath. Okay, there's the laundry room there. Coming up the stairs. Back here is another bedroom. With that little nook there.
Good deal. When you want keys.
Walk-in closet. Oh,
Perfect.
Because we need to check and see if our stuff is here.
Absolutely.
It's supposed to be.
Where are you guys coming in from?
Guam. They
Okay.
said it would be here by the
Oh,
5th
okay.
of June.
And we just got here
Just a
Saturday.
small
So,
I figured that way at least, okay, we know for sure.
Little linen closet
One
in
time
here.
check it's here, if not, we can at least this weekend go pick up an air mattress or something silly like that.
Fleet Family also has kind of until your household goods get ready buckets.
The little stuffs.
It has pots, pans, cookware,
So that's-
sleep mats, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Perfect.
bedroom
So,
floor.
yeah.
All right.
Now, did you drop your paper off?
So smaller one.
You were over at the office already?
No, I have it all.
Okay, if everything's good to go, I'll go ahead and take it, that we
Photos.
don't have to swing back
Okay.
by there. But, Monday's not a problem.
Okay.
So, yeah,
I'll go grab my papers and
Okay.
we'll look through them.
absolutely, and you already got the address. So you can go
Oh, yeah,
ahead
can
and
I
start
actually put that on?
doing everything you need to do.
Let me go get